May mga pagkain talagang ibabalik ka sa nakaraan. Ito na yata ang most nostalgic food for me during college days. And since nag-crave ako, gawin na natin yan. Unahin na natin mag-fry ng sunny side up egg. Tapos syempre, kailangan natin dito ng hotdogs. I-level up natin to with CDO Idol Super Jumbo Hotdogs. For only 181 pesos, 20 pieces hotdogs na kaya sobrang sulit. Tignan nyo naman, sobrang meaty. Mag-cut lang tayo ng slits sa hotdogs, then i-fry until slightly toasted while brushing a bit of ketchup. Set aside lang natin and let's make the ketchup fried rice. On the same pan, mag-saute lang ng garlic until slightly browned, then add a few cups of day-old rice. I-toss lang, then add some soy sauce to taste and ketchup and then mix until well combined. I-plate lang at ayan na, cravings satisfied. Simple pero sobrang comforting and nostalgic ng meal na to. Ang juicy and ang sarap nitong CDO Idol Super Jumbo Hotdogs. Perfect combination sa fried rice. Available to nationwide kaya try nyo na rin.